Hello guys, and welcome to another exciting video tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to create any type of cartoon animation using just your phone without any drawing involved, so stay tuned as we dive into today's tutorial. Now, although you can use a laptop or a phone for this, we'll assume you don't have a laptop, and we'll be working with just a phone for this demonstration. Character creation part. As I mentioned earlier, you won't be doing any drawing. So how do we create our character? Simple. Open your web browser and search for a free and popular AI website like ChatGPT or any other AI image generator that can help you create characters. Once you're satisfied with the character you've generated, go ahead and download the image using the Animation app. Now let's move on to the app we'll be using for our animation. Download FlipaClip from your App Store, Google Play, or Apple Store. Once you've installed it, open the app and follow along with my cursor as I guide you through the process. Before we proceed, please kindly like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling us which country you're watching from. Thank you. Getting started with FlipaClip. Once you've opened FlipaClip, click the plus icon to start a new project. Give your project a name. I'll also add a background and set the resolution to 1080p, leaving the other settings as they are. Introduction to FlipaClip tools. If you're new to FlipaClip, let me walk you through the main tools. Brush tool. This is mainly used for drawing. You can also adjust the color and size of the brush. Eraser tool. Just like the name suggests, it's used to erase mistakes or parts of your drawing. Paint bucket tool. If you're familiar with Photoshop or other editing software, you'll recognize this tool. It's used to fill enclosed areas with color. LASSO tool. This tool allows you to move or transform lines or drawings from one point to another. Text tool. Use this to add text to your canvas. You can customize the font, color, and size to your liking. Now that you have a basic understanding of the tools, let's move ahead. Importing images. Click the three-dot menu and select Add Image to import the character you downloaded earlier. Here's the truth. You can create amazing 2D animations using only your phone, but it takes a bit of practice and patience. As you can see, I've already created a series of character images, not with ChatGPT this time, but using a special app, which I'll reveal later in this video. So make sure you watch till the end. Let's start by adding the first few images into our timeline. Using onion skin, make sure the onion skin feature is turned on. This will help you see previous frames as you work, allowing for smoother animation. Now I'll carefully align the new image to match the position of the previous one. At this point, I'll speed up the process to save time. Previewing your animation. If you followed along correctly, you should now have a simple but smooth animation. Adding audio. Let's add some sound to our animation. You can either record your own voice using any voice recorder app or use an AI voiceover generator. I'll be using a recorded voice note. Hello guys, and welcome to another exciting video tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to create any type of cartoon animation using just your phone, without any drawing involved, so stay tuned. After importing it, I can trim it using the slider. Once I'm satisfied, I'll place it at the beginning of the timeline. exporting your animation. Now that everything is set, you can export your project. Tap the three-dot menu, select Make Movie, and your animation will be ready to share. More learning resources. If you want to learn how to consistently create characters and improve your animation skills, I've made a tutorial video just for that. You'll find the link in the description box. Also, feel free to join our Telegram or WhatsApp groups. Links are also in the description to connect with other animators and get support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.